Hello and welcome to my channel today, Boo Snakes and More. Today we're going to be talking about a winter storm in California. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And for more videos like this, watch my other house channel, A&M Snakes and Stuff. My youngest son's channel, Henny's Toys and Games. Or my oldest son's channel, Little Kristen. Let's dive into the video. California was walloped Monday by a powerful winter storm, carrying treacherous thunderstorms, high winds, and heavy snow in mountain areas. Millions of Los Angeles County residents faced flash flood warnings as rain pounded the region, and people in some areas, scared by last year's devastating wildfires, were under an evacuation warning through Tuesday because of the potential for mud and debris flows. Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass ordered emergency crews and city departments to be ready to respond to any problems. The storm wreaked havoc on roadways spanning from Sonoma County to the Sierra Nevada. Traffic was halted temporarily in both directions on I-80 near the Nevada state line due to spinouts and crashes. The California Department of Transportation reported in Santa Barbara County a large tree toppled onto US 101, shutting down southbound lanes. Forecasters said the western slope of the Sierra Nevada, northern Shasta County, including portions of Interstate 5 and parts of the state's Coast Range, could see up to 8 feet, 2.4 meters of snow before the storm moves through late Wednesday. The heavy snow, wind, and low visibility could also make travel conditions dangerous to near impossible, forecasters added. It has seemed spring-like for a large part of 2026, but winter is set to show it's not quite done yet, the Shasta County Sheriff's Office said in a social media post urging residents to stay aware of the storm. California's Office of Emergency Services said it was placing fire and rescue personnel and resources in areas most at risk of flooding, mud, and debris flows. In Southern California, Six Flags Magic Mountain was closed Monday due to the storm, and Knott's Berry Farm Amusement Park shut its doors early, but the winter weather was celebrated by local ski resorts that have waited weeks for snow. Other states on Monday braced for different threatening weather events. Residents in parts of eastern Colorado received warnings that they could be in fire danger due to a combination of abnormally high temperatures, gusty winds, and dry conditions. The risks were expected to continue further into the week as gusts up to 60 miles per hour are likely to hit the Colorado eastern plains on Tuesday. Parts of Texas, New Mexico, and Kansas were also under red flag warnings. The latest storm comes amid a snow drought across much of the American West, with snow cover and depth measuring at the lowest levels scientists have seen in decades. Most states saw half their average precipitation or less in January, though California fared better. Others due to heavy rains in December. It was the first of several days of stormy weather. Forecast for California. A coastal flood advisory was in effect for San Francisco until Tuesday afternoon, with cooler showers and a chance of hail on Tuesday. While nearby mountains were expecting snow, the National Weather Service in Monterey reported. Kawasha McClearing, a realtor in the mountain community of Waitewood, about 80 miles, 130 kilometers northeast of Los Angeles, on Monday said she was still dealing with several tons of rock and debris on her property from Christmas and New Year's storms that plummeled the community. After the last one, she said she got help trenching part of her side yard to direct stormwater down the street and placed a barrier of metal and wood by a door in hopes of keeping out mud and debris. Thank you for watching this video, and peace out till the next one.